With the Gravity Forms Cloudflare Turnstile add-on, you can easily implement Cloudflare Turnstile spam protection into your forms, helping to reduce spam form entries across your site. Turnstile is Cloudflare's smart CAPTCHA alternative, offering a privacy-focused approach that also does not require your users to solve time-consuming image challenges. To get started using the add-on, you'll first need to install and activate it from within your WordPress admin dashboard. Next, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard to connect your site with Turnstile. If you don't have a Cloudflare account yet, you can create one for free using the link in the description of this video. Once you've logged into Cloudflare, go to the Turnstile area in the main dashboard sidebar. Then, after you've opened the Turnstile settings, click the Add Site button to continue. You will next need to enter your site name and root domain name for your website. If your domain name isn't connected to Cloudflare, you can select Add Custom Domain to add it. Next, you can use the widget mode options to choose from one of the 3 types of spam protection. If you select Managed, Cloudflare will assess how likely it is that the visitor is spam. Unlike CAPTCHA, Cloudflare will never present the user with image-based challenges to check for spam. Instead, if Cloudflare thinks the user could potentially be spam, they will be asked to check a box. With the non-interactive option, users will have a slight delay and see a widget with a loading indicator while Cloudflare checks their browser. However, users do not need to perform any type of challenge or interact at all. With the invisible option, everything will happen in the background and will be completely invisible to human visitors. For this video, I'm going to select Managed. Once you've chosen your widget option, select Create to get your API keys. Next, you'll need to add your Cloudflare Turnstile keys to Gravity Forms. Head back to your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to your Gravity Forms settings. Select Cloudflare Turnstile and then enter your site key and secret key. You will also have the option to choose between a light or dark theme to tailor the field's appearance to your website, or select Auto to allow the field to inherit its theme from the visitor's system. After you save your settings, you'll be given a field preview that will allow you to see how the Cloudflare Turnstile field will appear on your forms. Please note that if your field is set to the invisible type in Cloudflare, the preview will appear empty. At this point, your WordPress site will be connected to Cloudflare Turnstile and you will be ready to add the Turnstile field to any form you want to protect. For example, if I navigate to my contact form, I'll be able to add the Turnstile field to the bottom of my form. Once I select Save Form, Turnstile will be active for that form. Form entries will then be checked for spam before they are submitted. If an entry is marked as spam, it will be sent to the spam inbox for that form. If you found this video helpful, consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. You can also ring the bell to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching.